right, so we are at Paloverde Model. This is by Pulte Homes at the Codora community. Just opened up a couple weeks ago. This home is a little over 3,000 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, starting at $610,000. So this is a tri-level floor plan. If you're interested in looking at the other models, check out my channel, because this one is going to be part 3 of the Codora community collection. All right, so let's go inside, check this out. So upgraded front entranceway, they frosted that for privacy. If you don't frost it, then you can see right through. All right, so same thing, you have upstairs and then downstairs. So let's start with downstairs. Nice living area. And of course, that is the garage. You have storage, coat closet, seal 8-foot here, 7-foot door. There's your backyard. And they have tile flooring down here. And you have a full bedroom with a full bath. Now this is like a king. This is a king. So now you can kind of gauge how large this room is. Nice brass fixtures, hardware, and then black faucets. Tile all the way up to the shower, up to the ceilings, water closet, and then your walk-in closet. So of course, you have a thermostat down here, and then you have a thermostat in the middle level, and then of course you'll have a thermostat upstairs. So nice wood railings. Here's the living area. And then another living area. They're using for an office. You can use this for a second TV room, game room. Nice wallpaper here. The wallpaper nowadays look really good, but they still need to be installed correctly. If not, they will peel. Okay, so laundry room in the mid-level. You have a sink, a lot of cabinets. Then you have a powder room up here. Yeah, here's the kitchen. Nice long island. Very kind of thin, but it's yeah, you can fit like 5-6 people here. A lot of cabinets here. Whirlpool appliances. And then of course, pantry. Not as large as the first model, but I mean, you have all of this cabinet space. Lots of windows. I like windows that have a window in each corner. All right, so let's go check out upstairs. So now we are up in the 3rd floor, and then we'll go ahead and turn into this primary. Here's the primary. Same style of the shower up here, tile from ground up, with the window. It's nice. Let lighting come in. Dual sink, a lot of space. You have your little mirror cabinet. Hi. Yeah, not soft close. And then here's your walk-in closet. So that's the primary. Now, let's head on over into these 3 rooms. Bedroom number 1. This is more like a full-size bed, yeah. So you can kind of gauge how large or how small, whatever your opinion is, if it's, large enough for you. And then this is the bathroom. Dual sink, the normal stuff with the quartz and window. They added the tile. And then you have your linen closet. Then you have bedroom number 2, the smaller closet. And then the 3rd bedroom up here, apart from the primary. This one's a little bit larger closet. But yeah, full-size bed. That way you can kind of gauge. And then your thermostat's right here. So again, lots of windows here and there for lighting to come in. This is the Paloverde here at the Cadora community by Pulte Homes. If you like these videos that I'm making for you guys, please like and subscribe. Go ahead and comment and ask me any questions about these communities or any communities here in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.